35 kg of tech. Welcome everybody to Gamingtech. In this video I'll show what I got from UPS. Shipping came. We're starting first off with our Be Quiet Cooler Model D mouse from Glorious. Del Taco lamp. I have tested this. RGB light is not good enough. It's not strong enough actually. Dual docking station. Cheap microphone arm from Swive. Cable mod extensions. By the way, this is one of the boxes. Got 3 more waiting. G502 from Logitech. MX Vertical. I plan to play FPS titles with that mouse to find out how it works. No idea. Wireless keyboard from Del Taco. Of course I will review all of these products if you want. Rogue Keres. I have no idea how to pronounce that word even. Western Digital M2. Candies, they're good. Some hard drive from Webhallen's Fund section. Stuff that are discounted basically. MX Master 3. Shall test that on editing of course. Some RAM stick from Corsair. Another MX Master 3. Probably gonna give it to my wife. Yeah, I'm looking for space to put it on the table as you see. Keyboard that goes to her. Yeah, focus camera. Fridge, Netis, another Netis fridge. Still haven't reviewed the first one I received. Sonic Focus GX550 that I will swap out on Medion system. There is my baby. An i5 12600K. I need to buy a motherboard for it though. Power supply. For some maybe white build in future. I have no idea. Big boy. There is an updated version of this one by the way. And of course the GPUs. 3060, 3060 Ti, 3060 Ti, 3070 Ti. Damn, there's no 3080 Ti for me. This was the box. I hope you like this quick update. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.